Hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Anong oras man yung napanood ang video ito, welcome sa ating channel, Matuto Dapat. Sa mga kakabukas lang o kakabisit lang ng channel na ito, pag-iusap lang nawa, mag-like at i-share ang video ito o mag-subscribe sa ating channel para sa pakipindot na rin ng yung ating bell button para sa mga notifications o mga kasunod na video i-upload natin. Our topic today is about application of first order differential equation, the RL circuits. So nilagyan ko ng part 1 no kasi may kasunod tayong isang video pa. And I am your professor, Engineer Eduardo Tapia. RL circuits are made up of resistors, inductor, and an energy source connected in series or parallel. This plays a crucial role in electrical engineering by controlling current and voltage behavior. Okay? So, ang resistor kasi ay opposite 'yon eh. Siya yung magpipigil ng current, you know. Uh, ang ating inductor naman, ang purpose niya, mag-iipon siya ng energy in the para doon sa magnetic field, no? So, ito yung ating equation, L times di dt plus IR equals E. Ang di dt natin ay change in current at any time t. Ang R natin, resistance in ohms. So, yun po yung symbol natin ng ohms. L natin, inductance. So, in henries. So, yun yung unit ng ating henries. Ng ating inductance ay henries. I is current in amperes. That is A. Time, yung T natin. At saka yung E ay the voltage source in volts. So, ito po yung ating free body diagram ng ating RL circuit. Okay? So, you have the voltage source, ito, positive, negative, and then you have the switch. Okay, ito yung switch natin, ito yung ating battery. Pwedeng battery to, direct current, o pwede alternating current. So, depende kung anong applicable. And then you have the resistor and then the inductor. Okay. Example, the RL circuit series where the resistors of 12 ohms and the inductor are connected in an outlet to an outlet of 120 volts. When the switch is open, current is 0 and the current is 5 amperes after 1 second when the switch is closed. What is the value of the inductor L in henries and the current after 3 seconds? So, ang ating given ay the resistor, 12 ohms. Ang I natin, 5 amperes after 1 second na ang ating yung circuit ay maging close. And then, ang voltage natin ay 120 volts. So, using our original equation, so plug in natin yung ating yung given natin. So, L times di dt plus 12i. So, 12 yung ating resistor o 12 ohms. So, 12i equals ang voltage natin ay 120. Tapos, we have to divide L both sides of the equation or multiply it to 1 over L. So, ang mangyayari, so ito, magiging di dt na lang plus 2i over L, tapos 120 over L. Ayan. So, makancel si L dito, kaya di dt plus 2i over divide L, 120 divide L. And kapag inarrange natin o inayos natin, so we have di dt plus 12 over L times I equals 120 over L. So in this case, this is a linear in I. Okay? So linear DE ang ating gagamiting method. No? So this is the format kapag linear ang ating gagamitin, wherein ito yung ating P of T, at ito ang ating Q of T. So, you have I times E raised to 12 over L times the integral of dt equals 120, ito yung Q, 120 over L times the integral of E times raised to 12 over L times the integral of dt, then dt. Okay? So, integral ng dt ay t na lang. So, I times e raised to 12 over L times t equals 120 over L times the integral of e raised to 12t over L. So, ito rin ay maglilit u tayo, e to the u du. So, ang u natin ay 12t over L. Ang du natin ay 12 over L dt. Okay? So, ngayon, lalagay natin e to the u du. Now, ang ating du ay that is 12 over L dt. No? So, kaya naglagay tayo ng L over 12 dito para makancel natin yung doon sa 12 over L dt. No? Para maging 1 lang. So, kumbaga, nagdagdag lang tayo ng 1. Okay? Tapos, ito yung 120 over L. Now, ang L natin, makancel. Okay? Tapos, ang 120 divided by 12. Okay? So, ang matitira dyan ay 10 na lang. So, kaya nga, I times e raised to 12t over L equals 10 times the integral of e to the u du. Ang integral ng e to the u du ay e to the u plus c. Okay, so 10 times e to the u plus c. Okay? But, ang u natin ay 12t over L. So, substitute natin yan doon. Kaya, mayroon tayong I times e raised to 12t over L equals 10 e raised to 12t over L plus c. Ngayon, divide natin ng e raised to 12t over L both sides of the equations. Kaya, ang mangyayari, I equals, okay, so dito, makancel natin to, ito, so maging I na lang. Ito, makancel din, at saka ito, so magiging 10 na lang. Plus C over E raised to 12t over L. Now, mayroon tayong condition, if time is 0, I is 0. So, habang open pa yung switch, walang current, okay, 0. Ngayon, substitute natin ito dito sa ating equation. Kaya 0 yung I equals 10 plus C over e raised to 12 times 0 over L. Alam natin na pag ito multiply natin sa 0, 12 times 0 and that is 0, 0 divided L is 0 pa rin. So, e to the 0 ay 1. Okay? So, kaya, tapos ito, pag ilipat natin sa kabilang side to, yung 10 magiging negative. No? So, C equals negative 10. Then, lagay natin dito sa ating, substitute natin dito, mula dito, yung ating C, ginawa natin 10 na. Kaya, ito yung ating model equation. That is the model equation. Next, we have to solve for L, the inductor. So, again, hindi pa ito sagot sa tanong kasi ang tanong ay, ano yung value ng L? No? So, doon tayo sa ano. So, when the time is 1 second, ang current ay 5 amperes. Okay, 5 amperes. So, 5 equals 10 minus 10 over e raised to 12 times 1 divided by L. 12 times 1, that is 12 now. So, 5 equals 10 minus 10 over e raised to 12 over L. Tapos, gagamit tayo ng less common denominator. Ito yung less common denominator natin. So, ang less common denominator, ito. So, yun ang ating less common denominator. Tapos, ito, divide 1 times 10. So, kaya 10 times e raised to 12 over L. Minus, ito, divide nito. So, 1 times 10. So, you have negative 10. O minus 10. Okay? Cross multiply. No? Kung cross multiply natin, ayan. Alam natin na itong 5, mayroon siyang over 1. Diba? Pag whole number, may automatic siya na over 1. Kaya nung kino-cross multiply natin, 5 times e raised to 12 over L, tapos ito multiply din. So we have now 5 times e raised to 12 over L equals 10 times e raised to 12 over L minus 10. Okay, mayroon tayong common number, no? So itong ating e raised to 12L common sa kabila. So ito ilipat natin sa kabila, maging negative siya. So 5 e raised to 12L over L minus 10 times e raised to 12 over L minus natin, so maging negative 5. Okay, so negative 5 na lang. Yan. So equals negative 10. Tapos divide natin negative 5 both side o multiply to 1 over negative 5. So ang mangyari ay, so ito makancel natin negative 5 sa ito. Tapos ito negative 10 divide negative 5 ay positive 2. Okay? Tapos gamitan natin ng laws of logarithm. So lagay natin si ln. Alam natin ang ln at e ay 1, no? So matitira dyan ay 12 over L equals ln 2. Okay? So ating gagawin, mag-cross multiply tayo. Yan. Cross multiply para ma-solve natin si L. So L natin is equal to 12 over ln 2. Yan. Using the calculator, solve natin. 12 divide ln 2 ay 17.31 henries. Yun po ang ating inductance. What is the current after 3 seconds? So our equation, this is a model equation natin. So plug in natin 3 seconds sa time. So I equals 10 minus 10 over e raised to 12 times 3, that is 36 divided by 17.31. Ang ating inductance na nasolve natin kanina ay 17.31. Yun ay yung value ng L. At hindi po yun siya nagbabago. No? Constant po ang value ng ating inductance. Ang ating current lang ang magkaroon ng changes. No? So, using the calculator, kapag isolve natin to, we will come up 8.75 amperes. Okay, that is our answer. Right? So, this is the activity that I would like to answer this one. Sabi nga nila, more practice, more learning. Okay? So, dapat practice lang para mas matuto po tayo. Maraming salamat, no, sa inyong panonood. Again, this is Engineer Tapia. At muli, pagpalain kayo ng ating Panginoon. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, mag-like at i-share ang video ng ito. Maraming salamat. God bless.